This was Elaine and I's first ever visit to the famous Exbury Gardens in South Hampshire. And wow, what a lot there was to see. And we were so lucky to be in the capable hands of not only their personable head gardener, Tom Clarke.
As they get older, they develop more in your mentum for whatever reason. It's a bit like when you get hairs coming out of your ears as you get older.
But also Marie-Louise Agius, award-winning garden designer and great-granddaughter of the garden's founder, Lionel de Rothschild.
Sort of semi-hardy exotic planting. It's called the sundial garden. It's got structure to it.
Also along for the ride was the irrepressible Mr. Plant Geek, alias Michael Perry.
I'm at it again. What have you seen?
So cool.
So incredible.
Oh.
It was very obvious that no matter what time of the year you visited, Exbury would provide a spectacle. Magnolias and rhododendrons in the spring, glowing autumn colour. For Elaine and I, the spectacle was provided by the Nerine Exhibition. Not the ordinary garden ones, these were the much trickier to grow Nerine sarniensis, but they had over 900 named forms of them. I love this passion for taking on the tricky plants. Take tender rhododendrons, the viraeas and medeniais. I know from growing just a few at home how difficult they can be. But of course at Exbury, they had the most wonderful collection, all beautifully looked after. I think we all left feeling inspired that this heritage garden had been so well looked after for over 100 years by 3 generations of the same family, yet could be so passionate, innovative and forward-thinking.